Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez, and if you are new here, I am a trademark lawyer helping small and medium-sized companies with their brands, logos, slogans, and taglines, and I have been doing so since about 2014. So I am super excited that you're here. In today's video, we're actually going to play a fun little game where we talk about trademark infringement. Trademark infringement, what is it? Does it mean that somebody has to be copying my name? Is trademark infringement all about copying my logo design? What does trademark infringement even mean? So stay with us because we're going to play a fun little game where we're going to show you two pictures side by side. You have to tell me in the comments below whether you think it is trademark infringement or not. You see, these are all based on real life trademark infringement stories, cases that have come before different courts. So I want you to decide. I want you to be the judge in today's trademark infringement court and let me know whether you think one of these logos was actually infringing on the first to use. And if you want to learn more about trademark infringement, make sure that you watch this video right here where I talk in detail and at length about trademark infringement, what it means to be a trademark infringer. But what if you're on the opposite side and somebody has taken your logo, your slogan, or your tagline and are now using it on their products or services? What do you do about it? What should you do about it? And now back to our game. So what did you all think? Did you like that game? I love showing examples of trademark infringement cases, actual cases, because then it gives you guys a better understanding of what's actually happening in our day-to-day lives in terms of trademark infringement, people who are going through trademark tarnishment, people ripping off each other's logos, sometimes even ripping off each other's names just for some more notoriety, some more marketing, or sometimes the infringer doesn't even know they're infringing. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful and useful because I like highlighting real-world examples so that you understand how trademarks play out on a day-to-day basis and you get to see what big brands are doing in order to protect their IP assets. Trademarks aren't just about registering your name and leaving it at that. If you want to build a strong brand, then it's all about protecting your IP. And these are just examples of cases that have come before courts where brands are willing to stand up to the person who is infringing and say, hey, you can't do that. And I'm going to take it as far as I can to prove it to you that you are wrong and you're going to pay me damages. So if one of these stories stood out to you or one of these cases stood out to you, then make sure you tell me in the comments below if you think someone in particular was infringing and it was very, very obvious, and maybe you disagree with the outcome of one of the cases. But either way, we'll leave the outcome to one of the other videos. I just want you to be the judge in this game of trademark infringement. Until next time.